Hello, my name is Aymanul Islam, and in this video, we're going to learn briefly about what software development is, what platforms are available, and how it operates. Now, before going into the essential aspects of software development, we need to first learn about what exactly is it. What is the concept of software development? It is the process of designing, developing, deploying, and supporting digital solutions such as computer programs and applications. But you might ask yourself, why should you as a programmer care? Because it helps programmers transform their ideas into efficient software applications that can improve the user's digital lives. Now let us look at the software development platforms that we use from our day-to-day lives. But first, let us look at what the concept is. Software development platforms are the underlying system that supports the development and deployment of software applications. There are three categories of platforms. Desktop platforms, which are used to run on computers, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Mobile platforms, which are used to run on mobile devices like smartphones. We have examples like Android, iOS, or Windows. Web platforms are used to build web pages and websites, and for that, people commonly use WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. They each provide tools and libraries needed for developers to create desktop, mobile, or web applications, respectively. Now that we know what software development is and what the platforms we use are, let us now look at the life cycle of the process, or as we call it, SDLC. What is SDLC? It is a systematic process used by software developers or engineers to manage the entire software development process. SDLC occur in phases. Each phase is designed to keep the project within its planned scope and resource allocation. Planning involves identifying the scope, resources, and timelines for the project. Analysis involves gathering and analyzing information about the software requirement to better understand the needs of a stakeholder. Software development design involves the creation of a detailed system design based on the requirements gathered in the previous phases. Implementation involves writing the code for the software application. Testing involves ensuring the software meets the requirement and is free of bugs. Deployment involves releasing the software to the production environment and making it available to users. Maintenance involves ongoing support and improvement of the software application. SDLC empowers developers to consistently produce quality software that satisfy target objectives and customers. This makes the software development process organized and efficient. Now let us look at the development environment necessary. What is it? It's not your usual physical plane where when you picture it you imagine land. No. Development environment is more of a digital plane which is necessary for programmers to develop programs. It's a collection of procedures and tools for developing, testing, and debugging applications. They can be categorized into two types. Integrated development environments provide a comprehensive environment for software development. They offer different components like a code editor, debugger, compiler, and version control system. They also offer features like code completion, syntax highlighting, and version control integration. Some examples would be Visual Studio, which is more commonly used, and some others like IntelliJ IDEA. Text editors provide a simple environment for writing and editing code. They include features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and search and replace. Popular text editors are Sublime Text, VS Code, and Notepad++. Development environments enhance the coding experience and help developers write code more efficiently. These are efficient and essential tools for software development and are used by developers of all skill levels. Now let us look at version control systems, what they do, and how they help us. A version control system is one that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that one can recall specific versions later. They ensure that the development of software is systematic and organized. It allows developers to track changes and revise source codes. It also helps them collaborate with other developers when it comes to developing programs. It allows them to roll back to previous versions if necessary. It also maintains a history of changes, making it easier to identify issues and bugs. It can manage multiple branches of developments, such as feature branches or bug fix branches. Now with all of this, we can conclude that each of these aspects hold a significance in the world of programming. Software development platforms provide the foundation for your work, enabling you to choose the right tools and environment for your projects. The software development lifecycle ensures that a systematic approach is needed for your development process, improving project management and software quality. Development environment enhance your coding experiences, making you more productive and efficient. Version control systems like Git ensure collaborative and error-free code management. Understanding these aspects empower you to make informed choices, write better code, manage projects effectively, and collaborate seamlessly with peers. They are the building blocks of your success as a programmer. Thank you very much.